As Madison County continues to report high numbers of new COVID-19 cases, the health department is now also confirming that the Omicron variant has been discovered in the county.
So we are just trying to keep our head above water here. It's very difficult right now. We're seeing a very high number of COVID-19 cases, probably the worst that we've seen since this all started 2 years ago.
The public information officer at the Jackson-Madison County Regional Health Department describing the influx of COVID cases.
We announced 1,156 new cases today. The number is much higher than that. We only have so many staff right now who are trying to sift through this backlog of cases.
The health department has also confirmed that the COVID variant Omicron is in Madison County.
One thing we're seeing with Omicron is if one person in the house tests positive, the whole house is probably going to test positive. So we're seeing entire households who are sick.
The department also talks about the CDC's new guidelines that say after testing positive and isolating for 5 days, you can come out of quarantine if you show no symptoms and have no fever.
What we've seen here at our office, we've had some employees who've tested positive. We've tested them before they come back to work on day 6. Their antigen test, which is that rapid test, is still positive, which means they're still infectious. So we had to send some of those folks back home to complete their entire 10-day isolation period. So I just want folks to know that just because, CDC says, yes, you can come out on day 6, doesn't mean that you should.
The health department is still recommending that people get the COVID-19 vaccine and booster to prevent serious illnesses and hospitalizations. I'm Christen Hyde, 39 News, Jackson.